Step 1 is rearrange. You want to put all the x's together and all the y's together. I'm going to have x squared plus 6x. I'm going to put a space and we're going to do the y's plus 4y squared minus 8y. And I do like to move over the 9, minus 9 from both sides. Equals negative 9. Step 2, we're going to complete the square. We want to add negative b over 2 squared to both sides. Let's start with the x. I'm going to divide it by 2 and I'm going to square it. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 squared is 9. We're going to add that to both sides. Plus 9 here, plus 9 here. Let's do the same thing for our y. To complete the square on our y is going to be a little tougher because the coefficient on y squared is not 1. You need it to be 1 to complete the square. We're going to have to factor out a 4. Factor out a 4 from all of them. We're going to divide by 4. They get y squared minus 2y. Now let's complete the square. Same rule applies. Get the middle term, negative 2 and divided by 2. And square it, we get negative 1 squared, which is positive 1. We're going to add 1 on both sides. Little caveat. We're going to add 1 here, but that 1 is going to multiply by the 4. We're actually adding 4 to this side. Plus 4 because I came from the 1 times 4. It gets multiplied by the coefficient outside, which is 4. We have to add 4 to this side. Step 3, we're going to simplify and factor. That's how you complete the square. Let's factor this left side first. The trick to factoring it, if you complete the square, it's always going to be the middle term divided by 2. This is going to be x, then 6 divided by 2 is 3. That's why we complete the square, to make the factoring so easy. Same thing happens with our y's. This is easy to factor. It's always a middle term divided by 2. That's going to be y minus 1, negative 2 divided by 2. And don't forget the coefficient to the 4 in front. And we're going to set that equal to this side. Negative 9 plus 4. The 9's cancel. You just get 4. And we're almost done. 4, you got to put in standard form. Standard form of ellipse is when it equals 1. We divide everything by 4. That'll give us x plus 3 squared over 4 plus, these cancel, that's squared. Y minus 1 squared over 1 equals 1. That's our standard equation. It said they want us to graph this ellipse. Putting in standard form makes it easy to graph it, but we do have to graph it still. I want to graph this. First, let's find our center. Inside opposites, negative 3 and 1. Our A is the bigger one. In this case, our A is going to be underneath the x squared, which means it's going to be a horizontal graph. We know a squared equals 4, which makes a equal 2. Underneath the y is our b in this case. B squared equals 1, square root b equals 1. Now we have everything we need. Let's graph it. Our center is negative 3, 1. We'll go left 3 and up 1. That's our center. Our a is 2. The important part about this is our a is on the x. So horizontally, we're going to go 2. 2 to our right and 2 to the left. And our b, our covertexes underneath the y, is 1. Since 1 is underneath our y, we're going to go up and down 1 on the y. And I get a graph that looks like this. That's your ellipse.